Welcome back. So today's explainer is, well, it's a truly fascinating one. We're looking at an international community known as Brilliance in You. Now, at first glance, you might think you've got them totally figured out. But as we unpack their footprint today, you're going to see a highly unique, dual-natured philosophy that is literally so rare to find in one place. We're talking about how they bridge this massive gap between cutting-edge digital sciences and, believe it or not, deep personal mindfulness. Okay, let's dive right into this.
I want to kick things off right here with this absolutely powerful quote from Major General Dr. Rajan Kochar, who actually collaborates with this community. He says all of us have an innate, latent potential waiting to be recognized. Now, that isn't just some motivational poster slogan, right? It's the absolute core mission statement of the Brilliance in You community. They are actively trying to help people recognize that hidden potential. But honestly, it's the unexpected, almost contradictory ways they go about achieving this that makes them so worth studying today.
But before we get into their actual methods, we really need to understand their scale. This is not just a small, localized group. Their membership is spread across 10 different countries worldwide. 10! That global credibility means this dual philosophy we're about to explore is resonating across totally different cultures and borders. They've built this massive international footprint by focusing on universal human needs, which, well, that brings us to the first major pillar of their platform. Section 1, Tracking Emerging Global Technologies. This is all about their sharp analytical focus on high-stakes digital sciences. I mean, just look at the sheer depth of this technical curriculum. They aren't just teaching, basic computer literacy here. We're talking deep dives into blockchain, robotics, and crucially, the intersection of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. To kind of wrap your head around this depth, consider an AI demonstration example like the system called Mythos. Mythos is an AI that doesn't just sit there and block known viruses. It actually uses machine learning to actively hunt for anomalous behavior in a network. It's literally predicting cyber attacks before they even happen. It's like a digital fortune teller. And that is the intense level of digital forensics they are preparing their members for, really equipping them for the complex, highly technical future that is, let's face it, already unfolding all around us. And the crazy thing is, this isn't some new, trendy pivot for them. It's a long-standing dedication. If we trace their timeline of cyber-focused content, you'll see that 7 years ago, they were already publishing content on India's cybercrime online reporting portal, raking in tens of thousands of views. Fast forward to 2020, right during the absolute height of the pandemic, they hosted a virtual conference specifically addressing social engineering attacks in COVID-19. And looking ahead, they're already announcing a massive cybersecurity and digital forensics conference slated for 2026. This timeline just so clearly demonstrates their ongoing, relentless dedication to complex technical education through webinars, interactive classes, and conferences. Which brilliantly illustrates the massive pivot I mentioned earlier. If you only looked at their deep dives into AI, robotics, and cybersecurity, you'd probably think, okay, this is strictly a hardcore technical channel for IT professionals. But then you look at their other focus areas. Wait, what? Alongside digital forensics, they are actively publishing content on holistic growth, meditation, inner worth, and habit building. It's incredibly surprising to see a channel so laser-focused on the hard sciences, dedicating equal energy to deep, spiritual well-being. It's just a totally wild combo. Section 2, The Inner Worth Pivot. This brings us to the secondary, yet arguably more foundational, layer of their community footprint. So, just like we tracked their technical timeline, let's look at the evolution of their holistic content. Way back in 2018, they were featuring transformational talks, like the untold story of Mrs. Asia Worldwide. By 2019, they were bringing in experts to discuss changing your habits by understanding the power of your subconscious mind. Moving into 2022 and 2023, the focus shifted heavily toward inner worth, with these fantastic long-form talks on creating the exact life you want to live. And now, as we move toward 2026, their most recent content includes incredibly peaceful Shiv bhajans specifically designed for meditation and positivity. It's just such a fascinating journey, right? Going from motivational speaking to deep subconscious habit training and finally culminating in pure spiritual meditation. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is how passionately they advocate for this inner journey. Listen to this recent community post. They write, and I quote, "Leave your distractions of life. Make your life easy. Don't make it complex, just focused on your target. No New Year resolutions are make you perfect without to knowing who are you and why are you here. Find your passion, our inner worth." You literally can't miss the intense capitalized emphasis on words like distractions, complex, focused, and inner worth. They are practically pleading with their community to just cut through all the crazy noise of the modern world to find out who they truly are. And when you compare their playlists side by side, the whole shebang, their complete strategy, really emerges. On the technical front, you've got cybersecurity, advice on becoming an entrepreneur, and even legal advice from actual counselors. But directly mirroring that, you have personal wellness playlists, heavily focused on health talks and inner worth. This perfectly summarizes how neatly they balance their content. The message is crystal clear. Yes, they are helping their members build a rock-solid technical career, but equally, they are helping them build a centered, healthy, and grounded life. Section 3. Bridging Tech and Humanity. And that leads us to our final synthesis here. Brilliance in You. Clearly sees success as a whole-person equation. To really understand how these two seemingly different halves connect, we have to go back to Major General Dr. Rajan Kochar. He notes, success and failure are two sides of the same coin. Life is all about contribution. Honestly, this is the key that unlocks their whole philosophy. The hardcore technical skills, the AI, the cybersecurity we talked about, these are the modern tools that allow you to effectively contribute to society. But it's the inner worth, the meditation, and that subconscious habit building that actually grounds you. It gives you the mental resilience to handle the inevitable success and failure that comes with making that contribution. So we've seen how this community uniquely arms its members with both the sharpest digital tools of tomorrow and the timeless spiritual grounding of meditation and inner worth. They totally refuse to choose between being highly technical and highly mindful. They demand both. So as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with a bit of a challenge inspired by their philosophy. Take a hard look at your own learning and your own life. Are you balancing the hard skills with your own holistic growth? Because the ultimate question they pose to us all is this: how will you find your inner brilliance?